Hobie Mirage Kayaks. The Hobie Mirage Drive is a unique propulsion system that is patented by Hobie worldwide. Hobie's Mirage Drive achieved a real stroke of genius by eliminating the stroke and introducing the step. The Hobie Mirage Drive is lightweight. Drive is simple to install. Placed in the drive well, just click and go. The Mirage Drive is easily adjusted for pedalers of all sizes. The action of the Mirage fins are similar to a penguin and propels the kayak efficiently through the water. As shown here, even an Olympic champion paddler is no match against a Hobie Mirage Kayak. Hobie Mirage can be pedaled in shallow water by placing one pedal forward and using shorter pedal strokes.